Hi guys, I just got these natural wood slices that I'm gonna show you today. So this is what they look like. So they come in a very big pack, so you get a lot. They also come with some little twine and some red and white string to use for your project. So this is what they look like. They are made out of all natural wood, real wood, super strong. They all have these little pre-drilled holes in them. So perfect for your arts and crafts, for making Christmas ornaments, painting them, whatever your DIY craft is, these are perfect. These are made out of pine. They're super smooth on the front here. Again, super, super cute.